Hi everyone, thanks for walking with me today. We're walking around Dashilan and Qianmen Street in Beijing. Dashilan Street is Beijing's oldest and most famous commercial street, known for its traditional architecture, time-honoured shops and vibrant blend of history, culture and street life just steps from Qianmen. Dashilan Street has been a bustling commercial hub since the Ming Dynasty and was home to some of Beijing's most iconic brands like Tang, traditional medicine, and Sheng, cloth shoes, serving emperors, scholars, and locals for centuries. This is a traditional sugar figurine stand. The artist you see here is creating a delicate, edible sculpture by blowing, pulling, or shaping hot melted sugar. A nostalgic childhood memory for many locals, now cherished as part of China's intangible cultural heritage. We are turning into Qianmen Street. This street has been a bustling commercial hub in Beijing for over 600 years. Originally formed during the Ming Dynasty as part of the city's imperial southern gateway, it served as the main road leading from Zhengyangmen, Qianmen Gate, into the inner city. In the Qing Dynasty, it flourished as a lively shopping and entertainment district filled with teahouses, opera theatres and specialty shops. Iconic brands like Quanjude Roast Duck, Tang Pharmacy and Rui Fuxiang Silk have stood here for centuries. Today, Qianmen Street blends restored traditional architecture with modern shops, keeping its historic charm alive as one of Beijing's most visited cultural walking streets. Qianmen Street is open 24 hours a day. Most shops and food stalls open around 10 a.m. and close by 9 or 10 p.m. Follow me on this walk and I'll tell you about some of the shops and sights we see along the way. This is one of Beijing's sweetest traditions, tanghulu, or sugar-coated fruit on a stick. Traditionally made with tart hawthorn berries, modern tanghulu now comes with strawberries, grapes, and even pineapple. Bright, shiny, and impossible to resist. This is the Qianmen Shengshi Roast Duck Restaurant. It offers authentic Peking duck alongside live cultural performances in a setting designed to recreate the charm of old Beijing. This is the famous Tang Museum of Traditional Chinese Medicine, practices used by imperial doctors who once served the royal family. The bronze statues in front depict traditional herbalists or physicians. This is Red Star Erguotu, one of Beijing's most iconic baijiu brands. Founded in 1949, it became a symbol of old Beijing life, known for its bold flavor and strong kick. The name Erguotu means second pot distillation, a traditional method that gives the liquor its signature punch. This is Cui Hui Tang, a traditional Beijing candy shop founded in 1928. The figure at the front shows a traditional candy master pounding ingredients on a stone slab. This shop sells handmade sweets like peanut brittle, sesame crisps, and other nostalgic snacks, just like those sold in old Beijing markets. Qianmen Street is one of Beijing's busiest cultural hotspots, drawing over 10 million visitors a year. On peak holidays, more than 200,000 people walk this historic street in a single day, making it one of the most visited pedestrian streets in all of China. This is Hexi Nougat Candy Shop, a boutique nougat store known for its high-quality, handmade nougat and nostalgic flavors. Founded in Shanghai, and now with a shop in Beijing's Qianmen and Dashilan area, Hexi stands out with around 18 to 19 creative flavors, from classic peanut and sesame to unique combinations like Oreo, cranberry, and pineapple mango. Every piece is crafted by hand. This is the Qianmen Tourist Service Center. It's typically open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m, offering maps, guidance, and local tips to help you make the most of your visit. This is a traditional Beijing snack stall specializing in dragon's beard candy, a handmade candy, and rolling donkey, a glutinous rice dessert. This shop sells retro-style cream cakes, a nostalgic treat popular in China during the 1980s to 90s, often made with fluffy sponge and buttercream. Big White Rabbit is a famous Chinese candy brand known for its creamy milk candies wrapped in edible rice paper. This bronze statue depicts a traditional Chinese medicine doctor seated at a consultation desk. Here's a shop selling grilled lamb skewers, a classic Beijing street food you can smell from meters away. Here's a halal snack stall offering a taste of Beijing's Hui Muslim traditions. You'll find beef buns, sticky rice rolls, sweet red bean desserts, and pea flour jelly. Classic favourites made with care and rich in local flavour. Here's a classic Beijing dish called bao du fen, a bowl of rice noodles topped with spicy stir-fried beef or lamb tripe. This statue is holding a copper hot pot, the traditional kind used in Beijing-style lamb hot pot, or xuanyang ru. Charcoal heats the broth from the centre chimney, and thin lamb slices are swished in just seconds before dipping into a rich sesame sauce. In Chinese culture, lanterns and drums are powerful symbols of celebration, tradition, and unity. Lanterns are traditionally used to ward off evil spirits and guide good fortune. Drumming is believed to drive away evil, awaken spiritual energy, and mark important events. That's all for now. Thanks for walking with me, and see you next time.